Continuing the China's Representative Intelligent Packaging Factory Tour series by Corrface, our second stop takes us to a benchmark enterprise in Guangdong Province, Dongguan Yinzhou Green Packaging Company, Limited. Here, we explore the operational performance of its intelligent logistics system planned by Taiwan-COMAUTO in actual production. Yinzhou Packaging operates 4 high-efficiency corrugator lines, comprising 3 2.8 m wide machines, 1, 3, 4, and 1 2.5 m wide unit, 2. The 4 corrugator lines operating in parallel create a spectacular production panorama. With this equipment configuration and production scale, Yinzhou Packaging is recognized as one of the largest single-site corrugated board plants globally. The factory's logistics system, designed by Taiwan-COMAUTO, enables corrugated boards from different production lines to converge at designated ports, where a central turntable performs initial sorting. Subsequently, the electric cart system determines whether to directly feed the boards into downstream processing or route them through the right side channel for secondary transfer, based on real-time dispatch instructions. On the filming day, only machines 3 and 4 were in operation in the workshop, maintaining a production speed exceeding 230 meters per minute. Despite the exceptionally high flow frequency of corrugated boards, a single electric cart sufficed to handle all transfer tasks, demonstrating the system's demanding requirements for response efficiency and path planning algorithms. The electric cart sorting system serves as the critical node in the intelligent logistics architecture, handling the categorized transfer of takeout packaging boards, semi-finished cartons, and buffer-stored corrugated sheets. Its core control system, the ICS Fully Automated Intelligent Logistics System, enables real-time monitoring and management of logistics data to ensure efficient material flow and quality control. Currently, the downstream logistics at Yinzhou board plant has reached a professional and streamlined level, with just 3 electric carts supporting the high-speed operation of 4 production lines, truly achieving zero warehouse congestion and high-flow efficiency. The first-floor buffer zone primarily stores finished corrugated boards after flipping, with the majority designated for takeout packaging delivery. To meet upstairs processing/storage demands, the plant utilizes 3 elevators, with elevators 2 and 3 dedicated to transporting boards requiring further processing or delayed shipment to the 2nd/3rd floors. The second floor is the carton workshop, featuring a high ceiling, open layout with advanced automation integrating automated material alignment, tail trimming, board flipping, handling, and feeding, while 3 elevators enable seamless two-way board transfer between floors for uninterrupted logistics. The 3rd floor serves as a buffer zone for finished corrugated boards and cartons, primarily storing orders not yet scheduled for production. Under the unified dispatch of the intelligent logistics system, the storage structure is highly optimized, ensuring ample surplus space even during peak seasons, virtually eliminating the risk of warehouse overflow. After touring Yinzhou Green Packaging's integrated factory layout and material flow lines, Corrface remarked, "Yinzhou demonstrates not just hardware accumulation, but full implementation of smart, lean production philosophies." How does such a Chinese smart factory compare to global benchmarks? Follow Corrface for more insights.